Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we're diving into the P2239 trouble code. If you've scanned your car and found this code, don't panic. I'll walk you through what it means, the possible causes, and step-by-step instructions to fix it. Let's get started. P2239 refers to an issue with the oxygen sensor, specifically the O2 sensor positive current control circuit in bank 1. This sensor helps your car's computer monitor O2 fuel ratios. When this code pops up, it means there's a signal issue, often caused by wiring, a faulty sensor, or even a PCM problem. Check engine light is on. Decreased fuel efficiency. Rough idling or hesitation during acceleration, increased emissions. OBD to scanner, multimeter, basic hand tool socket set, wrench. Replacement oxygen sensor if necessary, safety gear, gloves and safety glasses. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. Once the new sensor is installed, clear the code using your OBD to scanner and start the engine. Monitor the scanner to ensure the P2239 code doesn't return. Also, take the car for a test drive to confirm everything's running smoothly. And that's it. Fixing a P2239 code is straightforward with the right tools and a little patience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY auto repair guides. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.